this tutorial, you'll learn how to import and use custom components. There is a CATS data class with a photo attribute. Let's create a new page. We create a CATS data source containing all the CATS entities. Qodly provides a lot of components, but we need a smart and dynamic component to display a list of photos. The Qodly community provides custom components, specially developed for specific needs. Let's go to github.com/Qodly. There are custom components to import. Let's select the carousel. This is an overview of the component with its properties. Let's download the source and import it in our app. We select the zip containing the source. The carousel component has been imported. We drag and drop it as any other component. Let's bind the CATS data source with the carousel component. The carousel component has specific properties available on the Properties panel. We need a horizontal scrolling and display the autoplay. We center the component on the web form. Let's set up the width. This component has a style box container. We drag and drop the photo attribute in this style box. The width and height are set. The image is centered in the style box. Let's test this. Hope you like cats. Let's customize this component. We can change the arrow icons. On the README, some CSS classes are given to customize the component. Let's copy the content. And create a CSS class. This CSS class is applied on the carousel. Let's remove the background color for the buttons and change the size for the dots. We also changed the color for the active dot. Let's have a look. Great! Want to create your own custom components? Visit developer.qodly.com/docs/custom component/overview. Thank you for watching.